Ayurveda is a traditional system of medicine that originated in India and is based on balancing the body, mind, and spirit to achieve optimal health. It classifies individuals into three doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, each representing different combinations of elements: ether, air, fire, water, earth. Ayurvedic treatments and remedies aim to restore balance within these doshas. Here are some common Ayurvedic medicine types and their uses for different symptoms. Herbal Remedies. Triphala, a blend of three fruits used for digestion, detoxification, and overall wellness. Ashwagandha, used to alleviate stress, promote energy, and support the nervous system. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Brahmi, used to enhance memory, concentration, and cognitive function. Tulsi, holy basil, used for immune support, stress relief, and respiratory health. Ayurvedic Oils. Sesame oil, used for self-massage abhyanga to nourish the skin, calm the nervous system, and promote relaxation. Bhringraj oil, applied to the scalp for hair health and to support a healthy nervous system. Nisya oil, used for nasal application to lubricate the nasal passages and promote clear breathing. Ayurvedic diet and nutrition. Sattvic diet emphasizes fresh, seasonal, and plant-based foods to promote mental clarity, balance, and overall health. Spices and herbs, used to enhance digestion, metabolism, and overall well-being. Panchakarma, Abhyanga, full body oil massage for relaxation, detoxification, and circulation. Shirodhara, pouring warm oil on the forehead to calm the mind and nervous system. Virechana, a controlled purgation process to eliminate excess doshas and toxins. Yoga and meditation. Asana, yoga poses used to balance doshas, improve flexibility, and promote overall well-being. Pranayama, breathing techniques, helps balance energy, reduce stress, and promote mental clarity. Ayurvedic lifestyle practices. Dinacharya, daily routine, incorporates practices like waking up early, tongue scraping, oil pulling, and self-care routines. Ritucharya, seasonal routine, adjusts diet and lifestyle according to seasonal changes to maintain balance.